Sparkle Faces, it's me, Mother Sparkles. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've partnered with FabFitFun on this video. This is my impression for the FabFitFun box and all opinions are my own. I just want to put it out there. This is my first time actually receiving a subscription box ever in my life. Like I've never had any other box in my life, so we're popping my subscription box cherry and I'm really excited about it because I think FabFitFun is amazing. I love what they stand for. And yes, for those who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and wellness products that comes out 4 times a year. Each box is $49.99, but the products inside are valued over $200 per box. Like that's just so crazy. And for those FabFitFun virgins out there, you can save $10 off your first box with the coupon code Princess. Before I show you guys what's inside, I just want to say that I love how big this box is. Like imagine receiving this 4 times a year. It's like Christmas 4 times a year. Right off the bat, I see 2 brands that I've always wanted to try, but I was like, I'm a beauty on a budget girl, and Glam Glow and Beauty Blender, they're not cheap. So I see them in my box and I'm excited. So here we go. We got some Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. These are the ones that like foam up and you look so funny and crazy. I'm really excited to try this. I'm actually gonna try this tonight. It's green tea leaf teoxy. Yes, Glam Glow. The next product is a beauty blender and I love this color. It's a light pink color. And I've always bought like the dupe, you know, just like a regular looking, a fake beauty blender. So I'm glad that this is in my box because now I can try it fully. The next product is by Skin & Co. Roma. This is the Blue & Capri Shower Gel, and this is a full-size product, okay? So you're getting 230 milliliters of product, and it smells so good, you guys. I opened it and I was like, this is so fresh. Like this is gonna be my bubble bath for tonight. So I'm really excited to try this. It is a limited edition, number 7 Italian collection. Hello. So we're gonna turn my bath into a giant bubble extravaganza tonight, okay? Here's a closer look at the product. I cannot wait. Girl, it's been a long day. I need a warm bath. So thank the Lord, or thank FabFitFun actually. I'm so happy that the next product is in my box because I'm literally looking for a new eye cream. I just turned 26 and I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I see these little wrinkles and I'm like, oh, girl, why are you there? We need to slow the process down, and I'm so glad that this is in my box because I saw this all over Instagram and I'm like, what is that cute packaging? What does it do? Like what is this? And it's in my box, so I'm so happy. Ladies and gentlemen, Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. This stuff is amazing. I was like, let's give this a try. Last night, I put a little bit under my eye. I did a little dab. I was skeptical. I woke up, my skin around my eye felt super smooth and soft and hydrated. And I was like, okay, you can stay. You can stay. It has a nice light green color. There's no scent, which I like around my eyes because I feel like I can get, I get pretty irritated quickly, especially around my eye area. So I love that there's no scent and it's cruelty free. It contains naturally derived ingredients, free of parabens, free of formaldehyde, free of artificial coloring, and not tested on animals. Like amazing, you guys. I really like the wooden lid to it. It gives it like more of like an organic, like natural feel to it. So Do It All Total Eye Cream, yes. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I know this is a giant no-no, but it works for me and I love it. But I exfoliate my skin every single morning, and I know that's like really bad for your skin or whatever, but it works for me and my skin is perfectly fine and it actually likes to exfoliate every single day. Given the amount of makeup I wear every single day, like you need to deep clean your skin, and it just, my skin is so smooth. So I exfoliate every single day and I'm super excited to try this new product from Grown Alchemist, if that's how you pronounce it. It's a polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit, and I cannot express to you guys how excited I am to try this. It looks so freaking legit. 625 ml of product in this tube here, and it's completely sealed. I can't wait to try it. Pink grapefruit. This would be nice, like waking up in the morning and just like, oh hello, the smell. Like it's going to definitely wake me up. So I'm really excited to try this. Like you guys have no idea. All right, so it says here, it's free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens. No, I can't pronounce this. No artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine, no paraffins. I'm just gonna show you guys the back of the box. It's all listed here. You know what? I'm just gonna open it right now and smell it because I'm very curious about this pink grapefruit. Oh my God. Yes, I'm gonna try a little bit actually. You guys, I'm so happy. I love this. Oh my God, this reminds me of like spa smell, like, yes, I can't wait to try this. That's what I love about FabFitFun. It lets you try different brands and discover new amazing brands like this. So can this video be over yet so I can try these products? Oh my God, yes. All right, so all the beauty is out of the way. Let's try the next thing, which is the Luna Rica bar. This is the salted caramel nut natural flavored bar. And I'm actually really hungry myself right now. But let me show this to you guys real quick so you guys take a cute look at it. All right, the Luna Rica bar. And there's actually a coupon code in here. So if you guys try it and you guys like it, you can actually buy it with a discount code. Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna bars, 12 to 15 count on Amazon. And use the discount code. I've been running around all day running errands and I'm starvation. Like I'm hungry. Luna, salted caramel nut. It's making me more hungry. It's so good. And it's organic, so for all you health freaks out there, okay, so that was delicious. I'm not just saying that. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's organic. So that was good. Now I'm super hungry. The next thing we have is HelloFresh. We have a $50 gift card, okay? So for those who want to eat fresh and start new, we got a $50 gift card. Hello, I'm not giving you my code. This is my code. Get your own code. I gave you a coupon code already. It's Princess, okay? Save $10 off your first box. This is mine, not yours. Ain't showing no code. This is so amazing. The Ballbox is supporting Christina Applegate's nonprofit Right for Women, which provides financial assistance for women who are increased for breast cancer. Like, I love FabFitFun because of what they stand for, and you know, most of these companies are founded by women, and it's all about women supporting other women, and I love that. All right, so I'm super excited about the next product because girl, a lot of people got the coffee press, but girl, honey, please, I got the tea because I like to spill the tea on myself. All right, so we got the ceramic and stainless steel teapot. It is, you guys, it's so freaking cute. I mean, how cute is this? It's light blue, has cute pink cherry blossoms on them. This is, why would you choose the coffee press? I guess I'm not a coffee person. I'm more of a tea person, so cute. This is so cute, and I'm not even done. Like $50 a season. Girl, sign me up right now. Next product is the Catherine M umbrella, and it's an automatic umbrella. So press a button and it shoots out, all right? So for those who want to mess with me in Vancouver, bring it. What'd you say to me? Huh? You got a problem? I'm just joking. I love the pop of color, and I love how it's automatic. It's, you know, I'm gonna feel super bougie walking down the street and be like, boom. Hi. Next product is a towel, and I love how it's not just like beauty products. It's like stuff for your kitchen, stuff for your home, and I love that. Like, I love it because I do need a new towel. Excuse me, you. Mine is getting so old and dirty. I'm like, girl, I needed this, okay? I need a nice little, oh, there's two. Well, look at that. One for now and one for later. So thank you, Simply Whimsical homemade pretty towel. I always forget little things like this at the grocery store, like garbage bags, towels, and all that stuff. Like, I always forget it. So I'm glad it came in my box because I don't need to go shop for it anymore. So got me some countertop towels because I make a mess everywhere. Jeez. Are you guys ready for the finale? Because this is super, super cute. It is a Vince Camuto tote. Vegan leather, comes in a protective cloth, and bam. Look at this tote. It is so freaking bougie. I freaking love it. There's a little pouch here to put your valuables, like your phone or your wallet, and hello. So cute. It is a vegan leather, so you don't gotta worry. Let me model this for you, honey. Okay, girl, hello. Whole Foods what? Let me put my apples in here. Let me put my bananas in here, and let's just casually walk out of the store like we didn't steal anything. I'm just joking. But here we go. Super, super cute bag. It comes in like a darker color too, but I really like this tan color. Like, I'm all about it. It's fun. It's a nice black line here. Gives it a little, you know, accent, but so cute, so chic. And that is all that's inside my FabFitFun fall box. I'm freaking excited. I'm gonna just put all my products in my bag right now and just, you know, put it in the washroom so I can try it. I'm gonna have a bubble bath. I'm gonna scrub my face. Super excited. And there you have it, all other things that's in my FabFitFun fall box 2018. Let me know if you've tried any of these products in the comment section below and how you like them. Girl, I'm so excited. The winter is coming. What are they gonna put in my box for a harsh cold winter? So I'm honestly really excited. So yeah. Once again, if you are a FabFitFun virgin and you would like to give it a try, don't forget that you can use my coupon code PRINCESS to save $10 off your first month. I will leave all of the information down below in the description box, but hopefully you guys enjoyed my video and let me know what your thoughts are, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.